So hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today is the video and in this video I am going to share some of the technique that can make you fluent in English. Yes, you heard the right guys. Okay, so before I dive into it, subscribing my channel is considered good. So that is why I want you to please give it a like and subscribe to my channel, and also if you want you can share it with your friends, family, wherever you want. Okay, so let's come to the chase. Okay, so tip number 1, first thing that I always ask you to do, and that is reading. Read something in English. Yes, read something in English almost every day. But by the way, what should you study mostly so that you also can change the approach to language learning, means English? Well, so if I talk about me, oh, again and again my bra is visible, right? So if I talk about me, I read a video's caption. Yes, you heard the right guys. By the way, what is the right way to read or study, right? Guys, first you should choose a channel. Choose a one or two a specific channel whom you would like to speak. Like if I talk about me, I want to speak like Veronica English Diary English YouTube channel, right? So like her, I would like to speak, right, in my upcoming days. And by the way, I am able to speak English because of her, right? And even my speaking style is like her, right? So that is why I want you to guys, if you want to really want to speak English faster, then you have to choose a specific channel, at least one or two specific channel whom you would like to speak. For example, if you want to speak like me, so you have to first watch this video entirely, right? And just after watching, the most important thing that I ask you to do, and that is reading. By the way, how do you read? First, if you want, you can read while watching its caption I have added here, right? Or if you want, you can just after watching the video, then you again can click the title of this video, then you will get to see the entire speeches whatever I am speaking here, right? While reading, you will see a lots of complicated words and phrases, and maybe you are facing the words or phrases for the first time, right? So the words and phrases, if you are not sure about it, so you can just jot it down into your copy, or even you can take a screenshot while watching, right? And then again when you will be free, then you can note it down into your copy, right? So this is the technique that is I benefit from a lot from it, right? So that is why guys I especially suggest you to do. By the way, while watching, you will get to see not just one or two phrases or words, you will get to see a lots of words and phrases, right? So that's how you have to make it journal, right? Yeah, that is called journaling. Journaling is something that through you can review them later, right? In order for you to make them stronger into your brain, and again later whenever you want, you can review them, right, to make them stronger into your brain, so that you can keep these words into your brain for a long time, right? But here there is one more thing I would say while reading, guys. So please speak out loud. Yes, as much as you can, right? Because while reading, you will get to see lots of words and phrases that you are facing for the first time, right? So you have to speak the words out loud, right, so that you also can improve your pronunciation along with, right? So that is why I would say, please, if you are reading in English especially, right, no matter other subject you are speaking loudly or not, but especially in English, in the perspective of learning English, you should read any words or sentences or anything loud out, right, so that you also can improve the pronunciation of your mouth. But otherwise, instead of speaking loud out, if you are speaking inside your mind, right, inside your brain, so things are not going to great, right? Okay, so next, that is called tip number 2. And in that tip number 2, I want you to please be consistent. If you are struggle to be consistent, so first learn how to stay consistent, right? So if I talk about me, how do I manage consistent? So I have the phrase into my brain, or I have the thing into my brain, and that is I always think that the moment I am spending right now will never come again in my life, right? So that is why while thinking this thing, right, I manage my consistency. Yes, so this is something that you should always remember, right? And while thinking, you also can get motivated for forever, right? I think, by the way, but I'm not sure why you are not able to consistent into your progress. But try to be consistent if you really want to speak English like me or like your favorite English teacher. But otherwise, if you are skipping a few days, right, just after reading, then you are most likely forget them, right? So in order for you to not forget them, or if you want to keep them into your mind, into your brain for a long time, then you have to be consistent, right? Okay, so last but not the least, listening. And that is, by the way, listening, right? So listening is something that can make you fluent also, right? If you guys listen, then you can listen the word correctly, right? And if you listen carefully, then you can speak the word in a right way, right? But otherwise, if you are just listening or if you are just reading and if you are not listening, so that is not great, right? So in order for you to learn English faster, then you have to do means everything, right? Not just reading or writing or speaking, right? You have to do everything honestly, guys. By the way, you might have a question, Nakul, I don't have time to listen, or what should I study? Guys, you have to read the one's video whom you would like to speak, right? Like if you want to speak like me, then you should watch my videos mostly, but otherwise you can watch any videos on YouTube, right? But in the perspective of learning English, you should watch mostly my videos because you want to speak like me, right? So the way you also have to listen my videos every time, right? Means you might have a question, Nakul, I don't have time. Guys, you are doing a lots of work in your everyday life, right? But while doing work, if you want, you also can listen, right? Sure, I am sure you are agree with it, right? So that is why, guys, please, in order for you especially to make your dream successfully, you have to dedicate into listening, writing, in everything, right? Yeah, so please make time for yourself to listen, and listening is also very crucial thing in English learning, right? So that is why please listen as much as you want, and also, by the way, you have to do whatever I told you to do, right? Okay, so that's all for today, I think. And if I make this video unnecessarily longer, then you are not going to watch, right? So that is why I think that is it for today. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And also, if you have any question, you can comment, and I'm sure I will give it a heart and reply, right? And also, if you want to share with someone, so feel free to share. Okay, so that's all for today, and bye bye.